It dripped on my head.
And it's raining, so what's the difference? I'm singing in the rain. Come on.
Is it coming back? It's getting harder.
See, you just gotta do the rain dance. What was it earlier?
Isn't that like a real song?
I think it's the Indian rain dance.
No. There's like a real song that goes like ooga chaka, ooga ooga.
I don't know.
There's a real song.
Keep going, it's raining harder. Keep going, keep going.
No, it's not.
Yeah. Just have to hold the umbrella further out if I put the camera further out.
I'm already wet, so. Come on! I've been waiting for it to rain for like 2 weeks.
I must think we're like in where is it? The jungle?
The jungle?
No, where does it not rain?
Mom, it rains like every...
Down in
You mean the desert? It rains like every day in the jungle. That was a selfie. Are you gonna know that?
I don't know.
It's stopping again. Keep going. Sing again.
Okay, hang on.